Well, a little bit of complicated, but we want to see what we can make of it. So here to join me and talk about this is federal and civil trial attorney Kelly Hyman. Kelly, good to see you. It's been a while since I've seen you. So talking about this. So if Musk did accumulate a 5% stake in the company before buying the platform, how does that hurt investors?
Well, according to the investors, they wouldn't have the knowledge of this. So in fact, that because they didn't have this knowledge, that they were harmed. They were harmed financially because they didn't know about this information. And also the investor would say that they are required, being Elon Musk, is required to notify them. And because he didn't notify them, in fact, he violated security laws because he's supposed to let them know if he invests 5% or more, has 5% more of holding of a company. However, Elon Musk takes a different position and believes that this is politically motivated.
But that's not a great legal defense. Would it be, hey, listen, even if I didn't disclose it, it really wouldn't have affected investors' decisions? I mean, what's a legal defense to this?
Legal defense is in regards to the economics. When you look at the securities laws, that whether he disclosed it or whether he had an obligation to disclose it, a legal argument could be made that he did not have this information to disclose it, and as soon as he got the information legally, he disclosed it, and therefore he did not violate any security laws.
Now, I probably should know the answer to this about whether he is found liable or guilty of these accusations. You tell me, but if he is, what does he have to pay? What's the penalty?
So it would be liable in regards to money, since this would be a civil lawsuit. And what that means is it's not a criminal lawsuit. Now, the SEC can refer cases to the Department of Justice, and they can pursue the criminal aspects of it. But the SEC, if he's found liable, it would be monetary damages. And so it would be amounts of money. We have to remember that this is not the first time that Elon Musk had issues with the SEC, dating back to 2018, where he personally paid $20 million and Tesla paid $20 million for allegations in regards to his posting that he made on the social media platform Twitter about having investors to make Tesla go private.
Well, that's a good point. That's a separate kind of related issue. And I mean, you don't expect criminal charges, particularly with Donald Trump coming into the White House, right?
Well, there's three possibilities of how this could play out. I definitely don't see criminal charges being brought against him. In regards to this, the three possibilities is one, that he pays the alleged penalty, but I don't see that happening. Number two is when the new administration comes in, that they no longer investigate this probe and basically the case dies, or fact that they do continue it and potentially file the lawsuit, and then whether he's found liable or not liable and have to pay monetary damages.
By the way, Elon Musk is not the only billionaire getting close to the president-elect, because as we were talking about, Amazon and Meta both donating $1 million to Trump's inauguration fund. Just generally speaking, what are the legal repercussions, the legal issues of having big money like this in politics, Kelly?
Conflict of interest. Ethically, there could be an argument made that there is some type of conflict of interest of someone that is so much involved in the administration that it becomes too ethical violation in regards to that their company is playing a big role in the government.
Federal and civil trial attorney Kelly Hyman breaking it down for us so easily. It was complicated, now it's easy. Kelly, good to see you. Thanks so much for coming on.
Great to see you.